The shear machine is used to shear and cut pieces of metal. The shear machine we use here at Lake Washington Technical College used to be owned by Boeing. This shear machine used to be foot-powered, but modifications were made to improve safety. Now the user must use both hands to operate the machine, instead of using his or her foot. An acrylic plate was also added to the front of the machine to avoid fingers getting crushed when feeding metal pieces into the machine. Personal safety procedure for working in the welding department. Protective goggles, gloves, and earplugs are supposed to be used when working in the welding department. When using the shear machine, goggles are mandatory. Gloves are optional but highly recommended. Turn on the machine. If the machine does not turn on, verify if it is plugged into the outlet. Check the back of the machine. Make sure there is no material in the way and that nobody is standing behind the machine. Feed a piece of metal to the machine. Do not use welded metal in this machine. If you do, it could release shrapnel and hurt someone. Press both green buttons simultaneously. The machine will shear the metal piece. The sheared piece of metal will drop on the back of the machine. Turn off the machine. Go to the back of the machine to collect the cut piece of metal. Remember, take care of yourself. Always use safety equipment. When using the shearing machine, always use protective goggles and preferably use gloves. Remember, take care of others. Follow the procedures. Check the machine before and after using it. Check the back of this machine before you use it.